Hi, I'm Linda Chu. I head up business operations and strategy at Forte, an end-to-end platform that enables the world's largest communities to leverage blockchain technology to create token assets and new revenue streams. I'm going to be talking all about NFTs. If there's one thing you might have learned from the media, it's that NFTs are made possible by blockchain technology. They play a vital role for creatives today and will likely play an even greater role in the future. NFTs stand for non-fungible token. What does it mean to be non-fungible? Fungibility, in simple terms, refers to whether an asset is easily replaceable or directly interchangeable for another asset of its kind. NFTs take that same concept of uniqueness from the real world and replicate it in the digital world through blockchain tech. From the moment an NFT is created or minted in blockchain parlance, a permanent digital history of its ownership is recorded, and any changes in its ownership are tracked and recorded on a blockchain. The ability to verify uniqueness and track ownership enables creators of digital content to earn income from their digital work. For example, NFTs could create an income stream in the form of a royalty. If you mint an NFT of your art, you can set rules such that you get a share of sales every time that NFT is sold. And intermediaries for distribution and promotion that normally take a cut of earnings are now optional rather than necessary.